Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to position for Preton Telegram airdrop. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token, WikiCat, built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. Preton is a new meme token on TRON with real-world applications. The coins will be the main in-game resource in the future Preton ecosystem, and you can mine it now. So the link to the Telegram bot will be in the description box below. When you click on the link, okay, here is what you see. What can this bot do? Preton big airdrop. Preton is the first meme token on TRON with a utility. The coin will become the main game resource in the future Preton ecosystem, and you can mine it right now. Want to get more Preton? Just invite a friend, or better, all your friends. Send an invitation. As soon as a friend launches the bot and completes all the conditions, you get 50 Preton. Now click on start. Choose your language, English. Specify the number of dots on the top surface of the cube. Just wait a little. Okay, 3. Okay, welcome. To receive 50 Preton, subscribe to our channel. Click on it, then subscribe, join, and let's head back. Check subscription. Okay, you perform that. So here is how it works. Your balance is 50 Preton and your TRON balance is 0.003. You can earn Preton and TRON for each friend you invite. Now here is how it works. Earn Preton, click on earn Preton. So when you click on earn Preton, you'll find some tasks which you can perform. You subscribe to their Twitter, share with your friends, like and retweet some posts. So when you invite your friends, you get 50 Preton and 0.03 TRON. Invite 100 friends to get a guaranteed NFT. Invite 500 friends to get an exclusive NFT. Now let's click on main menu again. Check the other one. So about the store, you can buy different boxes. They have the wood box, the silver box, and the gold box. The wood box bring about 10 and 50 Preton daily, which you can purchase for 500 Preton. The silver you can purchase for 1,500 Preton. It brings about 40 and 100 Preton daily, and that's for the gold box also. You can choose to buy any of them after accumulating Preton. About the inventory, okay, this talks about the gold, silver, and the wood box. About the wallet, you get your wallet address. Here is your wallet address. About the cards, you see there are different cards: the Telegram card, the Stone card, the Ruby card. To activate the Telegram card, you need to invite one friend. And here is your referral link on the. To activate the Stone card, you need to invite 3 new friends. Then to activate the Ruby card, you need to invite 5 new friends. When you activate, after performing the conditions and activating it, you don't need to perform any extra tasks. It will automatically be added to your balance daily. So let's head back to the main menu. About this choose language, we've already chosen our language, and you can refresh page if your page is not properly functioning well. So that's all about the Preton airdrop. If you have any questions, kindly drop it in the comment section, as a team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in our next video.